Hello dears, good morning all. How are you? I hope that all of you are doing well. Today I am so happy to stand in front of you because I have given an assignment work for you, that is to prepare an edition related with our freedom struggle. Okay, it's an important work in connection with our EVS third chapter, that is the road to independence. And I hope that all of you have done it very well. Okay, and I know that all of you are eagerly waiting for viewing your assignment work. Okay, so let me show you your work. All of you look here.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Nidal from 4th B. Today I would like to present you my magazine from the lesson The Road to Independence. Please watch it. The Road to Independence. Main content. Famous freedom fighters. Freedom fighters of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was a freedom fighter. Children called him Chachaji. He was born on 1989 and died on 1964. Next one, Chandrasekhar Azad. He was born on 1906 and died on 1931. Next one, Bhagat Singh. He was born on 1907 and died on 1931. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was known as Netaji. His famous quote was, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." He founded Indian National Army. He born on 1897, died on 1945. Next one, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was popularly known as Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was known as Father of Constitution. He was born on 1891 and died on 1956. Next one, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was a freedom fighter. He was the first President of India. He was born on 1884 and died on 1963. Next one, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was an ideal woman. She was the great leader. She was born on 1828 and died on 1858. Next one, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He was born on 1819 and died on 1988. Next one, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a great freedom fighter. He was known as Iron Man of India. He was the first Home Minister of India. He was born on 1893 and died on 1909. Next one, Sarojini Naidu. She was great freedom fighter. She was born on 1879 and died on 1949. Next one, Veer Savarkar. He was born on 1883 and died on 1996. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. His real name was Kesav. He gave the slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall." He born on 1856 and died on 1920. Next one, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri is the second Prime Minister of India. He was a freedom fighter and patriot. He born on 1904 and died on 1966. Other freedom fighters. First one, Rabindranath Tagore. Second one, Abdul Kalam Azad. Third one, Lal Lajpat Rai. Fourth one, Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Fifth one, Rajguru. Sixth one, Sukhdev. Our great leader, Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Putlibai. His wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi. He born on 2nd October 1869 under his leadership, Congress started movements like non-violence, non-cooperation to oppose the British rule. Next one, we can see Gandhiji album. Gandhiji album. Gandhiji's childhood photo. Gandhiji wedding photo. Gandhiji and Nehru. Gandhiji's mother, Gandhiji's father, Gandhiji and wife, Gandhiji and Sarojini Naidu. Next one, Gandhiji quotes. Next, Gandhian era, 1915 to 1948. Next one, freedom fighters quotes. Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mangal Pandey, Lal Bahadur Shastri. We can see Kerala freedom fighters. First one, T.K. Madhavan. He was born on 1885 and died on 1930. Next one, A.K. Gopalan. He was Indian Communist leader. He was born on 1904 and died on 1977. Next one, K. Kalapan. He was called Kerala Gandhi. He was born on 1889 and died on 1971. Next one, other freedom fighters. K. Kumar, K.P. Kesav Menon, Akkamma Chediyan, Pakkam Maulavi, Swadeshi Abhimani, Ramakrishna Pilla. Next we can see freedom struggles. Champaran Satyagraha was the first Satyagraha in 1970, led by Gandhiji for farmers. Now we can see Ahmedabad Milkshake in 1918, led by Gandhiji. Next one, Kedar Satyagraha in 1918. Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919. The people of Punjab gathered on 30th April 1919 at Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar to protest against the Rowlatt Act. It was an open ground with only one entrance. The British military commander blocked the entrance and started to fire. Hundreds of people were lost their lives. Next one, non-cooperation movement in 1920 to 1922. The main demand was promote Khadi, boycott foreign cloth, propagate Hindi language, etc. Salt Satyagraha. Salt is an essential good for all. British imposed heavy tax against this. Gandhiji conducted Satyagraha. Next one, Quit India Movement. Quit India Movement is also known as the Revolution of August. Gandhiji slogan was, "In this movement, do or die." Next one, First Independence Act. In 1947, in effect, India came into existence on August 15th. In the year 1947, Nehru first speech after independence. First independence news bulletin. Some news bulletin here is another one, patriotic song. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. I hope all of you like my magazine. Assalamu alaikum and thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Afrin KV 4th B, Majma English School. Freedom fighters. Freedom fighters of Kerala. Gandhiji. Satyagraha. Salt Satyagraha. Jallianwala Bagh. Non-cooperation movement. Quit India. Thank you.
I am Tamim from 4th B. It is my project work.
Hi, I am Adil Chan PK in 4th B. Welcome to my assignment. Hope you all like it. Thank you.
It's me, Muhammad Sinan K. from 4th B. The road to independence. Thank you.
I am Shehi Muhammad. It's my assignment.
അസ്സലാമലൈക്കും. ഇന്ന് ഒക്ടോബർ 2 ഗാന്ധിജി ജയന്തി. 1869 ഒക്ടോബർ 2 ഗുജറാത്തിലെ പോർബന്തറിലാണ് ഗാന്ധിജി ജനിച്ചത്. ഈ ദിവസമാണ് ഞാൻ ഗാന്ധിജി ജയന്തിയാണ് ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നത്. സത്യത്തിനും ധർമ്മത്തിനും വേണ്ടി പോരാടിയ മഹാനാണ് ഗാന്ധിജി. ഗാന്ധിജിയുടെ അച്ഛൻ കരംചന്ദ് ഗാന്ധി, അമ്മ പുത്ലിബായി, ഭാര്യ കസ്തൂർബ. ഹായ്.
I am Shahanat from 4th standard. It's my assignment.
I am Abdurrahman. This is my Independence Day edition. Freedom Fighters of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sarojini Naidu, Balagangadhara Tilak, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Hi, I am Darimol. Yes, I study in his 4th A class. This is my EVS edition. Contents: Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Satyagraha: Champaran Satyagraha 1916, Keda Satyagraha 1917, Ahmedabad Satyagraha 1918, Salt Satyagraha. Freedom Fighters: Powerful songs of Indian freedom fighters. National Anthem. Thank you.
This is my project about road to independence. And റംസാൻ 4th A. ഇതിൻ്റെ EVSൻ്റെ പതിപ്പ് ആണ്.
Alpha KV 4th B. This is my assignment work.
Hi friends, I am Dia Fatima 4th B. This is my edition work. Freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji taught us, where there is love, there is life. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Mohammed Muzammil MP, studying Majma English School 4th standard. ഇത് എൻ്റെ സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിന പതിപ്പാണ്. Thank you.
ദീന പി 4th ബി. ഞാനൊരു സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിന പതിപ്പ് തയ്യാറാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഗ്രേറ്റ് പേഴ്സൺസ് ഓഫ് ഫ്രീഡം ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സ്. ദ നാഷണൽ ആന്തം. ഫ്രീഡം ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സ്. കേരള ഫ്രീഡം ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സ്. The First War of Independence in 1857. Mahatma Gandhi. Jawaharlal Nehru. Lala Lajpat Rai. Balagangadhara Tilak. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. K. Kelappan.
Friends, I am Muhammad Amin K 4th A. I am make this independence assignment. This is importance of Independence Day. This is Indian freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and etc. This is Independence Day quiz. This is essay on Independence Day. This is Indian freedom fighters. Okay, thank you.
My name is Rifa P. from 4th year. Freedom fighters, our real heroes. Here is some pictures of freedom fighters and short note. Here is some question answer of our great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi. Jai Hind.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatima Shifa PK. I study in 4th year. This is my assignment. This is Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhiji quotes, Jawaharlal Nehru quotes, quiz, Quit India, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, slogans. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Muhammad Anas from 4th year. This is my timeline of Indian freedom movement. Contents: freedom fighters, collage, timeline of Indian independence. Freedom fighters: Rani Lakshmibai, Nana Sahib, Bhagat Singh. India. Freedom at midnight. Timeline of Indian independence. Birth of Mahatma Gandhi. India got independence. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
I am Fatima Shahana from 4th year. It's my assignment. Independence Day edition.
My name is Nihila PT, class 4B. It's my project.
studying 4th B. This is my assignment. Content: Freedom fighters. Freedom fighters of Kerala. Major struggles. Pictures of struggles. Songs of freedom struggles. Vande Mataram. Gandhiji. Quotes. Quiz. Thank you.
My name is Aman Ahmed. It's from 4th B. It is my freedom fighters India. One page number. National lectures and freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sarojini Naidu, Quit India, Salt Satyagraha, Freedom Quiz, Mudrageetangal, Dandi March, Kerala and Salt Satyagraha, Freedom Fighters of Kerala. Bye.
I am Fahmida Tasni, studying 4th A in Majma English School. I am here to present an assignment about Indian freedom fighters. Our freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi, our father of nation. Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bipin Chandrapal, Bhagat Singh, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Abdul Kalam Azad, Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Jai Prakash Narayanan, Lal Bal Pal, Rajaram Mohan Roy, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Tandoi Toppe, Jaya Prakash Narayanan, Tippu Sultan, Subhash Chandra Bose, Abdul Kalam Azad, Sarojini Naidu, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sri Narayana Guru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Swami Vivekanandan, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsam, K. Kelappan, Pattam Thanupilla, Mannat Padmanabhan. These are the freedom movements. Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Guruvayur Satyagraha, Memorial of Jallianwala Bagh, Rabindranath Tagore and Gandhiji. Gandhiji's visit to Malabar. Towards independence. Our national flag, national emblem, Ashoka Chakra. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hana Fatima. I am studying in 4th A class. This is my assignment work in version preparation. First one, freedom fighters. Second one, Gandhiji quotes. Quit India fighters. Quit India movement. Mahatma Gandhi quiz. Thank you.
Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am Amna Jibin from 4th B. It's my assignment.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Safwan. I am studying in 4th standard. It is EVS version about Mahatma Gandhi struggles and freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi did for India. What are facts about Gandhi? A great man, Mahatma Gandhi. Malabar Rebellion. Jallianwala Bagh. Quit India movement. Non-cooperation movement. Salt Satyagraha, Dandi March. First World War. Freedom fighters of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Bal Gangas Tilak. Sarojini Naidu. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Tippu Sultan, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Valutambi Dalava, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bahadur Shah Ghaffar, Bhagat Singh. Thank you for watching.
It's me, Hiza Shamir from 4th B. It's my EVS assignment. All of you look here.